Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Market is expected to open on a weak note due to sharp declines across global markets, triggered by the anticipation that the US Fed Reserve may delay interest rate cuts. This, combined with ongoing FIS selling and a surge in the oil prices to a 4-month high above $81 per barrel, is weighing down on the sentiment. To start with our first segment for Monday, 13 January 2025, Nifty index opened flattish and bears took control right from the initial tick as strong selling pressure was seen from the upper levels. The index hit an intraday low of 23,444 within the first hour of the session. However, it showed a slow and steady recovery of almost 200 points by midday, followed by volatile moves later. Sell-on bounces continued in the index as it erased more than 500 points in this week. It formed a big bearish candle on the weekly chart and has been making lower highs from the last 6 trading sessions, which indicates further weakness in the market. India VIX was up by another 2% to 15 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.88. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 23,000 to 24,000, while immediate range is in between 23,200 to 23,600. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 2,255 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 3,962 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 16%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till the time Nifty holds below 23,600, weakness could be seen towards 23,333 and 23,250 zones, while hurdles can be seen at 23,800. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 49,000, weakness could be seen towards 48,000 levels, while on the upside, hurdle can be seen at 49,000 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in TCS, Wipro, HCL Tech, Persistent, Infosys, SBI Life, Bajaj Finserv and Bharti Airtel. While weakness can be seen in Tata Elxsi, BHEL, CDSL, PEL and GNFC. Wish you a super trading day and a lovely week ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.